Good morning, Study 7. I am going to continue chapter 6, Metals and Non-Metal. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you the topic prevention from rusting. How to protect iron material or iron sheet or iron articles from being rusting. In this video I will explain you few processes to protect iron articles from being rusting. These processes are: first, aluminum painting; second, alloy formation; third, electroplating. So let us see the first process, aluminum painting. Aluminum painting. By aluminum painting, iron bridges, iron furniture, car body, telephone poles, and different iron articles are protected from rusting. So dear student, let us know about aluminum painting. Aluminum paint is applied over the iron sheet or iron article or iron material to protect iron material from being rusting. So, like the iron bridges, over the iron bridges, iron furniture, car bodies, telephone poles, and many different type of the iron articles are painted with aluminum to protect from being rusting, dear student. Protect from being rusting. So aluminum painting is also an important coating over the iron articles to protect them from being rusting, dear student. Next is alloy formation. Second process, alloy formation. In this process, etc. to form stainless steel. It is corrosion resistance. It is used to make cutlery and surgical instrument. So dear student, let us know about the process alloy formation. Alloy means mixing of the 2-3 elements. So in this alloy formation also an important process to protect iron article from being rusty. So in this process iron is fused with nickel, chromium and carbon to form stainless steel. Stainless steel, dear student. It is one of the corrosion resistance substance and used for making cutlery and surgical instrument, dear student. So by alloy formation also iron can be protected from being rusting or being corrosion, dear student. Next I am going to explain you about the electroplating. In this process So dear student, let us know about the electroplating. In electroplating, iron articles are electroplated with chromium, copper, tin and nickel. So dear student, iron articles are being electroplated with chromium, copper, tin and nickel for the decorative purpose in jewelry and also for the durability of the cutlery. What do you mean by the durability? Which can last longer. This durability is it can be last for the longer days. Cutlery, what we use in our home, known as a cutlery. Also, cooking gas, stove and the motor parts. So dear student, electroplating is also a process to protect iron articles from being rusting. But it is one of the costly process, dear student. Also, the electroplating is also used for the jewelry and also for the decorative purpose. So dear student, these three processes, alloy formation, aluminum painting and electroplating, these three processes you read and learn about it. Thank you dear students.